guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back. It's such a flirty, cute look. I'm really excited about it and I hope you guys enjoy it. Let me know what you guys think and what other things you want to see. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep watching. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Why am I so pale though? Anyways, we are gonna start off with the MAC paint pot, bitch. You already know. So this is your eyelid primer and you are obviously going to apply this everywhere on your eyelid. I am using Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills and I am starting with the color Warm Taupe at the bottom of the tan looking color, and just apply this on your crease. Next, I am using Love Letter and start in your crease but bring it down and also to the side of your eyelid. It gives it such a pretty pink look. I absolutely love this color. And to give it that smoky look, I will be applying Cypress Umber on the outer corner of my eyelid, blending it in with the Love Letter color that I already applied. Just blend it in, and like I said, it's going to give it that smoky look. I am using Maybelline concealer to cut my crease and applying this, as you can see, in the inner corner of my eyelids. Take your time with this because you can mess it up, and I mean anything can be fixed, but you know, just to save you some time, just be careful. On top of that, I am applying the color Vermeer. It's such a pretty glittery pink color. You can't really see it on the camera, but it's so shimmery. That's the word that I meant to say. So shimmery, and like I said, it's like a pink whitish color. Okay guys, so I am going back with Cypress Umber kind of to blend in the color I just applied, the shimmery color, so it doesn't look so sharp. And I'm also going back with Love Letter and applying this at the top of my eyelid, like I said, just to blend everything in. So my eyes are already pretty big, but to make them look bigger, I love to use the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the color Milk. It just gives it that effect of a bigger eye, and honestly, I just love the look. Next, I am preparing my lashes for falsies, and I am using Ultra Volume in Revlon, just applying a coat of mascara. Guys, so I've been using this Zero Gravity Whip Day Cream by Nurture by Nature, and this stuff is absolutely amazing. Like, I couldn't even find a word just now. It's so good. It makes your skin feel super soft. So I've also been using this facial spray by Mario, and I don't know how to feel about it yet because it's apparently supposed to be really good for you, but I think I've been breaking out, and I don't know if it's this yet, but I'm just gonna try it out for another week. And you already know I'm using the L'Oreal Pro Matte Foundation in the color 108, my favorite. I don't think I'm ever gonna switch to anything. This is my favorite. For my concealer, I am using Maybelline Age Rewind. Bitch, it says erase dark circles. I need all the help I can get, cause bitch. This bronzer is to die for. Hoola by Benefit. I lost mine when I went to California on vacation. I had to go get another one because I cannot live without this. Literally my favorite of all time. To set my face, I am using Master Fix. I don't know how I feel about this. I just kind of, you know, hurry up and apply it and take it off because sometimes they be leaving you white and honey, don't nobody want to be coming out white in pictures. For blush, I'm using Bare Minerals, bitch, I can't even talk, Bare Minerals, and the one you already know I've been using this one. I just haven't wanted to go get another one, bitch. That's all it is. Guys, I swear, for my bottom lashes, I apply like 20 coats of like 20 different mascaras because they gotta be popping, they gotta be standing out, looking cute as fuck. Okay, so I never really liked lipsticks or lip glosses in palettes. I just felt like it was too much, you know, like you could just grab a lipstick. It's smaller and it's better. But this one, honestly, it's so good and it stays on the whole day. I don't have to take it with me. Bitch, I wouldn't anyways, but you know, it stays on the whole day. And to be honest with you, I applied like all the colors because they're all so fucking pretty. that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed my video and come back for another one. Bye.
Me encantan las cosas caras. Me encantan. To keep them on the leash though. I'm known to walk alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sending me a drink ain't appeasing. Believe me, come harder. This won't be easy. I'm bringing the sexy back. We got way too much in common. It's like nicotine, heroin, morphine. Stop, wait a minute. There's a camera up ahead and it's only what they want.